Hello, Jeff here from Whitbird Botanical, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about the rock daisy Brachyscome multifida and why I think it's a great plant to have in the garden and just an excellent Australian native plant in general. Brachyscome multifida is a perennial daisy that gets to about 45 centimeters. These herbaceous plants produce masses of light purple flowers, they have fine foliage and form nice dense clumps. They can be seen flowering throughout most of the year from September right through to June, but the more eye-catching displays tend to be in the spring and the summer. There are two variations of Brachyscome multifida. There's variation multifida and variation dilatata. Variation multifida is the fine leaf form, and it's the most widespread of the two and most commonly found in nurseries and garden centres. Brachyscome multifida are a widespread plant occurring in most parts of New South Wales in sclerophyll forests and grasslands. They also occur in parts of Queensland and Victoria. They have a low to medium water requirement and can tolerate full sun to part shade. Brachyscome multifida provide low cover for small mammals, lizards and insects. Their flowers also attract many beneficial insects to the garden, including hoverflies and some species of bees. Brachyscome multifida are an excellent native daisy to add to the garden. Their long flowering period makes them great for attracting pollinators into the garden and providing food for native fauna. They are hardy plants that are relatively low maintenance, and their low form makes them great for creating borders around garden beds or along pathways, or for using in a native meadow. To propagate Brachyscome multifida, you can use three different methods. The two easiest and most common methods are through doing cuttings and layering. They can be grown from seed, although they have a low germination rate, so it's generally better to propagate using plant material. So I hope you enjoyed this little look at Brachyscome multifida. It's one of my favourite little native daisies to have in the garden. It's got almost year-round flowering. It does well in containers. It has a lot of uses in landscaping, a lot of uses for attracting pollinators to your garden and providing habitat for small animals. It's great, a great plant all around. I highly recommend picking some up. As always, thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.